Want to make money without working harder? These 5 AI tools are doing the work for people in 2025, and you probably haven't heard of half of them. 1. Opus Clip, short-form content repurposer. This tool turns long YouTube videos into viral TikToks automatically. It uses AI to find the best hooks, captions them, and makes your content go further. Freelancers are charging $200 plus just to use it for clients. 2. ChatGPT plus Canva combo, digital product factory. People are using ChatGPT to write planners, journals, and ebooks, then designing them in Canva. You can sell them on Etsy or Gumroad. It's a print-on-demand digital goldmine. 3. Leonardo.Ai, AI image generation like Midjourney, but free. Create high-quality art, logos, or concept images. People are using it for merch, ads, and client work, and charging $10 to $100 plus per design. 4. Pictory, faceless video generator. Pictory turns your scripts into full YouTube videos using AI. Just paste text, and it builds the visuals plus voiceover. Some channels post daily using just this and get monetized fast. 5. Perplexity AI, research and answer tool like ChatGPT, but pulls info directly from the web. Perfect for content creators, researchers, or anyone writing blogs or scripts. It saves hours, and it's free. These tools are automating income streams, and they're just the beginning. Subscribe to Vault Vision for more tools, trends, and faceless ways to make money. The next video will change how you hustle.